Welcome to Mullet'z Garage. Today we're going to be removing this glue right here. Had it on the car for a while now. So this is actually glue from tint. So if you got like old glue, or if you got old tint, then you might have this glue still on there and trying to figure out a way to get it off. I tried using a razor blade, but the razor blade just took too long and it's hard to get off. If you get these lines right here, and that razor blade will scrape them off. So if you want to save that, I found a Brillo pad, and it's actually working. I kind of started right there, so I was like, well, I can probably make a video about this. But this is how you can remove that glue from your window without messing up the lines for the defrost. Alright guys, so I made some leadway on getting this glue off from the tint. So one thing that I found is that get a spray bottle, put some water in it, and spray up there, spray that glue. It actually helped when using the pad to scrape it off. Water helped this glue from falling down. It helps it just stick to the window, so later you can just wipe it off. Before I used the water, the glue was just falling down and kind of getting everywhere. Right there you can see. It's getting everywhere, so decided to use this water. It's actually just sticking to the window, which is pretty good. It's just a little update, but I got all that to do. Alright guys, so it's starting to get a little dark out here. I've been out here working on this glass right now. Pretty much got a quarter ways done, but I'm gonna call it for tonight. Start up on it tomorrow, but it's actually working pretty good. It's not taking any of the lines off for the defrost. I'm surprised with that. It's actually working pretty well, just pretty slow. Maybe if you have two people, then it'll speed things up. I know it's hard for y'all to see, but it's slowly but surely. I know that. Slowly but surely for sure. Alright guys, it's the second day, and this is how much I got done so far. Still got that much to go, and that corner over there. It's kind of a slow process, but it's getting there. Kind of use this water bottle. Use some water and that Brillo pad right there. Slow, but it will come off. Alright y'all, finally got the glue off. As you can see, it's dark out here. I had my brother to help me. After I got done working on the S10, I decided to come to help. I'll just worry about vacuuming that up later. All that glue. I'll just worry about vacuuming all that glue up later. Yeah. It's too dark out here. Too dark out here.
That glue gonna bond that carpet. And you're gonna have to scrape all the carpet off the material that is sewn onto just to get the glue out.
No, don't. That was a slow process. Very slow. Very slow, very old. Physical.
Unfortunate process.
It was a very slow process. So if y'all gonna do that, y'all make sure y'all get y'all reps in.
It's a fast process if you also count in video editing.
That'll do it for today. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good night.
We make the streams louder.
Okay.